Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, the Overfun Web Launcher String Shooters Toy Upgrade 2.0. If you're a Spider-Man fan or just love cool gadgets, you're going to want to stick around for this. First off, let's talk about what makes this web launcher so awesome. This isn't just any toy. It's an upgraded, rechargeable web shooting device that brings your superhero dreams to life. Check this out. With a built-in motor and spring force, it launches projectiles attached to a string with impressive accuracy. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Just press the spring until you hear a click, then press the launch button, and off it goes. What's really cool is the versatility. The projectile comes with a magnet that sticks to metal surfaces. Add the suction cup, and it adheres to smooth, flat surfaces like windows or doors. It's perfect for all sorts of play scenarios. And when you're done, simply press the reel-in button and the string retracts smoothly. No more tangled messes, thanks to the innovative micro reels design. It's even kid-friendly. This toy is not just for fun. It's a fantastic addition to any Spider-Man costume. Whether it's for Halloween, birthday parties, or just everyday play, it really completes the look and feel of being a superhero. Several buyers have shared their experiences with this web launcher. Many rave about how powerful it is and how well it sticks to surfaces like windows and sliding doors. They also appreciate the easy retraction feature. On the flip side, a few mentioned that sometimes the device struggles with charging or the string gets tangled. But overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. And the best part? You can grab yours right now from Amazon. Just click the link in the description below to get yours today. So if you're ready to bring your Spider-Man fantasies to life or know someone who would love this, don't wait. Check out the link below the description and get your own Overfun Web Launcher String Shooters Toy Upgrade 2.0. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome reviews. See you next time.